Okay, so you've been asked to figure out how can I use AI in my company? And right now you're stuck because there are 50,000 IT tools, AI tools, it changes all the time. Compliance wants something else, legal wants something else, your manager wants something else. It's just really difficult to manage this maze and this labyrinth. But the problem is your competitors are already further than you are because the problem we know isn't technology. The problem is leadership adoption gap. And that's exactly why we built this community. Let's go through the 4 weeks. In the first week, we will look at what you can actually do with AI. No slides, no presentations live. We open 5, 6, 7, 8 AIs, 2 or 3 of which are already approved in your company, and you will walk with 2 or 3 very tangible use cases. Then in week 2, we go through the tool confusion. Okay, there's Copilot, Malcolm, but then there's Claude, Claude Code, ChatGPT, Gemini, Anti-Gravity. What do I use for what? And what can I use in business? In week 3, we show you how to prototype. This is an idea, Malcolm. This is a problem that I have in the company. How do I move into prototyping? And for this, we also have coaching sessions where you don't only have access to me, but also to members of my company. And in week 4, sustainable operations. How do I take what I learned in the academy and roll out AI in my business, in my company, in my department? One of our graduates is an operations director. But after this course, she started rolling out AI workflows. And the company was so flabbergasted that she got promoted to Chief AI Officer. That could be you, and therefore see you in week 1.